Josh Jordan's self-published Coastline with Ex Why Zed, a love letter to the epic beaches, rolling landscapes and iconic amusement parks of the Kent coastline. Each book is shrink-wrapped to ensure they arrive in pristine condition. Aiming for a more prestigious and high-end publication, Josh chose a hardback landscape format at a bespoke size of 252 by 297 millimetres. The 128 pages form an impressive and weighty finished piece. The depth of the book allows plenty of scope for the author and title of the book along the spine, which here is neatly presented in the same blue as is found on the back cover. There is a well-curated set of photography and a good flow to the work, with each image being given the space to breathe on the double-page spreads. The inside pages are printed onto 170 GSM gloss, so the images are bright, shiny and jump off the page. Josh enjoyed a successful Kickstarter campaign, while the book accompanied a photography exhibition in 2021, and the handful of copies left over were all snapped up in super quick time. Being honest, this oversized format is more cost-effective on slightly longer print runs where the setup costs form less of a chunk of the total cost. It might be cost-prohibitive for a student hand-in or final major project. This applies to hardcover books in general. They are impressive, but if you need to save money, then softcover books are a cheaper way to print. Do check out the full print spec listed in the description below and get in contact with us if you'd like to print a similar publication to show off your latest photography.